Hey Techie, welcome to the Let's Code and Develop, the place where coding truly meets creativity. And our tagline is Let's Code, Let's Learn, and Let's Develop. Like we can start coding, we can learn coding, and we can develop the real time projects in this channel. Okay, so here we will take you on a journey to the master programming right from a scratch in a way that's simple, fun, and practical together. We will start by building strong logic, then solve the exciting coding problems, challenges, and move on the creative real world project. And step by step, And step by step, the channel is not just about the learning to code. It's about growing as a developer and unlocking endless possibilities. So, join our coding family and remember, let's code, let's learn, and let's develop together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. And stay tuned because the journey starts now. And as I said, the let's learn, let's code, and let's develop is our tagline. So we are focusing on writing a code, learning the code, and developing the real time applications together. So subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon so you will get an update of each and every videos uploaded by us, as well as each and every playlist will be shown on our channel. So stay tuned and thank you for watching this.